Dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be discussing the further questions, MCQ question on the topic of function for FYBCom students. Question number 12 is to find out the average revenue for the following demand function P given like this, where D is nothing but equal to this. So, first of all, what is an average revenue? The average revenue is nothing but revenue divided by demand. What is the revenue? Revenue is nothing but demand into price and it should be divided by D. So average revenue is nothing but your price, right? And this price has been given as 30 minus D square, where the value of D should be 2. So it is 30 minus 2 square, that is 30 minus 4, that is 26. Okay, so 26 is the correct answer. It was a really simple question. Now let's come to the next question. They have asked if C is equal to x square and R is equal to x cube. What is C? C is nothing but the total cost. What is R? R is nothing but the total revenue. The profit, if they are asking, your profit is nothing but the difference between revenue and cost. The revenue is nothing but x cube and the cost is nothing but x square. So it is x cube minus x square is nothing but your profit, and we need to find out it at x equal to 3. So it is 3 cube minus 3 square. 3 cube is 27 and 3 square is 9. So the answer is 18. Correct. So the correct answer is C, 18. Now, my dear students, we come to the part of derivative in the functions. Given a function y is equal to e raised to 3 minus 14, then we are supposed to find out the derivative of 5 with respect to x. It is one of the interesting question because over here there is no x. So this is nothing but a constant. Because there is a no variable, that means this is a constant. And derivative of a constant is 0. So the last option is correct. Okay, one of the simple and the something called as a tricky question. The given question has no variable, hence it is a constant, hence the derivative must be 0. Let's come to the second question, that is question number 15. We are supposed to find out the derivative of root x. So derivative of root x. By the way, what is this root x? Root x is nothing but x raised to half. Correct? So it is x raised to half. Now we know that derivative of x raised to n is nothing but n x raised to n minus 1. So by using this, the derivative of x raised to half is nothing but half x raised to half minus 1. So that is nothing but half x raised to minus half. So whenever I have a variable with some negative power, what we do is we just take it to the denominator. So its sign changes. So it is 2x raised to plus half. If it goes from numerator to denominator, sign of the power changes. So it is 1 by 2. What is x raised to half? It is nothing but root x. Okay, so option B is correct. Now comes to this question, interesting question. Now given this function, we are supposed to find out its derivative. So my y is equal to x raised to 4. So x raised to n formula we will use. E raised to x derivative we should know. We should know what is the derivative of a raised to x, because over here 3.5 raised to x is there plus 10. 10 is a constant. So if I want to find out the derivative, which I denote by y dash, that is nothing but what is x raised to 4 derivative? It is nothing but 4x cube. What is derivative of e raised to x? It is nothing but itself e raised to x. What is derivative of a raised to x? It is nothing but a raised to x log a. So here it is not 5.3, I think it is 5 into 3 raised to x. So it is nothing but 3 raised to x derivative. 5 is a constant that comes outside. Right, so it is nothing but 5 into 3 raised to x. So it is 5 into 3 raised to x. What is derivative of 3 raised to x? It is 3 raised to x log 3 plus derivative of 10 is 0 because it is a constant. So the answer is 4x cube plus e raised to x minus 5 times 3 raised to x log 3. That is nothing but option A is correct. Okay. So this is nothing but question number 16. I hope you are understanding the concept. If you have doubt difficulty, let me know in the chat box. Over here we have y is equal to e raised to x log x. We are supposed to find out derivative. When we see the question, we can understand it is u into v. What is the derivative of u into v? U into v derivative is nothing but, yes, it is u v derivative plus v u derivative. So my y dash is nothing but first function as it is derivative of log x derivative plus log x as it is the derivative of e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x. So it is e raised to x. What is derivative of log x? It is 1 by x plus log x as it is. What is derivative of e raised to x? It is as it is. So the final answer is e raised to x 1 by x plus log x. Correct. So option D is correct. Right. This is question number 17. Over here, if y is this, then the rate of change of y with respect to x. One of the simplest question. What is the meaning of a derivative? Derivative is nothing but the rate of change. Right? So whenever they are asking you the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable, that means they are asking you the derivative of the function with respect to that variable. That means over here my dy by dx is something that they are asking. So 1 by 4, this 4 in the denominator is a constant, so I write it outside. The derivative of x raised to 4 is nothing but 4x cube. 4 cancel. What I get is nothing but x cube. So option B is right. Okay. Let's go for the next question, my dear friends. Over here we have y is equal to 2 raised to x upon e raised to x. So when we see the question, the derivative of u by v is nothing but given by the formula divided by v square. Then I have vu dash minus uv dash. Correct. So this is nothing but, what is my v? V is nothing but